Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and today I'm here to share Moda Block Heads 29 Ring Around. This is the first block in our third round of blocks, and it's by Corey Yoder, and it's a super fun block, and I'll share with you my tips and tricks. Okay, I just want to share with you a few things about block 29 Ring Around by Corey Yoder. Such a great block, as I mentioned before. I made the 8-inch size, but Corey mentions in her pattern, and I agree that this would be a great scrap buster block, especially using the 12-inch size. And I bet it would make just a really fun secondary pattern too when it was all set together with the little chain going through. So the center section, I used my simple folded corners ruler to add these 4 squares. I didn't draw the lines or use triangles. I cut squares and I used this ruler, and that just really helped to make that very accurately. These pieces are all just simple squares and rectangles, and so with those you'll just want to measure and cut carefully and sew your 1/4-inch seam, and you shouldn't have any problem there. And then these outer 4 corners are just half square triangles. And I believe since I only made 4, it's okay just to size them up and trim them down, but you can also use triangle square paper for these and make a few extras while you're at it. But just a really fun block that Corey has for us this week, and I'm going to be trying it in the 12-inch size soon. I hope you enjoyed hearing my tips and tricks on this week's Moda Block Heads block. I'll have all the links in the description below so that you can go to Corey's blog to get to the pattern, so that you can go to my blog, and also for the tools that I mentioned if you don't have them yet. I hope you'll subscribe to the channel, and thanks so much for stopping by.